As we hit enter, we can see 139. This is the number of people who paid between 1000 and 1500 included. Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. COUNTIFs, SUMIFs, and average ifs. We have looked at COUNTIF and SUMIF earlier, where we selected the data based on one criteria. In this video, we will look at functions where we will do the same but with multiple criteria. Let us look at the first example. We want to find the number of people who paid registration fee between 1000 and 1500. To do this, we have to use SUMIFS function because we have to meet two criteria. Fee paid should be between 1000 and 1500. So we'll start with equal sign, SUMIFs, open parentheses. Now we have to select the range that we want to sum. This will be E4 to E13. This range contains the numbers which we want to add. Now comes the first criteria. This is to see if they paid 1000 or more. So the registration fee range is here. This will be the criteria range 1, and then the criteria 1 in inverted commas is they should have paid either 1000 or more. So greater than or equal to 1000, close the inverted commas. Now comes the second criteria. Let us select the range. The range will be the same in this case because that's where the registration fee are. So we'll select the range once again. We have to check if this number is less than or equal to 1500 in the criteria 2. We selected the range for criteria 2, and then with a comma, opening the inverted commas, we will start the condition or the criteria, which is less than or equal to 1500, and close the inverted commas and the parentheses. As we hit enter, we can see 139. This is the number of people who paid between 1000 and 1500 included. Now let's go to the second function. We want to find the number of people who did not register for either C or Java. Let's start with equals, COUNTIFs, open brackets. We want to select the range. Here we'll select the courses offered because that is where we want to match the criteria. Now selecting the range from D4 until D13, comma, in inverted commas, we will give the criteria. The criteria is that it should not be equal to C. Not equal sign in Excel is less than and greater than sign. In the criteria, range 2 will be the same, D4 to D13, and criteria 2 will be not equals Java. This gives two conditions to the function, and we have the answer 2. These are the values where we had Python instead of C or Java. Let's go to average ifs. We want to find the average registration fee paid for C course when registration fee is greater than 1000. Now we want to add all the registration fees which are greater than 1000 but are only for C. So let's start by typing equals average ifs, open parentheses, and we have to give the average range first. This will be the total column, G4 to G13, comma, we want to give the first criteria range. That is, we want to select only those rows which have C in the course. So we'll select the course offered as the range. D4 to D13, comma, the criteria 1 is that it should be course C, that is, in inverted commas equals C, and then the second range would be the registration fee, which we are looking for should be greater than 1000. Hence we select F4 to F13, comma, and the criteria is that it should be greater than 1000. In inverted commas, we will type greater than 1000. You can also change it to equals if you please. That was average ifs, SUMIFs, and COUNTIFs. Thank you. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.